na dagdag sa arawang sahod ng mga manggagawa na ipinasa na ng House Committee.
Yeah.
Nananawagan po ang ilang kongresista na i-certify daw po ninyo as urgent bill. Ano po ang
Yes.
proposition?
Well, the thing is that we have a tripartite board that actually determines the increase in the wage increase. So we'll have to we still have to study it to see how that will work together. Because this is the tripartite body was a creation of Congress din. Sila ang nagbuo niyan. Nagsulat sila ng batas at nagbuo ng ganyang klaseng entity. Yan ang trabaho nila para alamin kung ano yung dapat ang maging minimum wage. So now with this, I don't know how that's going to work together. But we'll see. We'll try to resolve that because, as you know, it's very clear that tumataas ang bilihin. Nandiyan pa rin ang inflation. Hindi pa natin na susubuan ng mabuti, ng kumpleto. It's certainly something that we have to think about, to assist to yung mga pangkaraniwan na tao. Now, it's not only one side to this question, there are many sides to this question. The employers are worried na sinasabi na lalong-lalo na yung mga maliliit na employer ay halimbawa mga sari-sari store, mga garahe, mga parlor, beauty parlor, yung mga ganun, yung maliliit lamang. Pag tinaas yung minimum wage, mababawasan ang kanilang empleyado. Kasi ganun pa rin yung pera nila. Hindi naman matatagdad yung pera ng pambayad nila ng sweldo. So paano yun? How will that affect the economy? How will that affect the MSMEs? It's really the small. Yung sa corporate, walang problema yan. Yung malalaking korporasyon, kaya nila yan. Kahit anong increase ang ilagay nyo, kaya niyan. Pero yung maliliit, yun ang inaalala ng mga iba. And if there pinag-aaralan din namin kung ito ay magkakaroon ng increase sa consumer pricing. Ibig sabihin, inflationary, baka maging inflationary. Pero palagay ko naman there is a way to increase that. But we have to resolve the legal issues. We have to resolve the economic issues. So it still deserves a great deal of study.
Thank you, sir.